Audrey.
And Otto.
And today we're doing another Blind Bag Wednesday. Whoa, Otto's dancing so hard he's moving his chair. Anyway, we got some blind bags here, and we're gonna pick 4 in all. 2 each.
Yeah.
So yeah, we have Plants vs. Zombies Series 2, just letting you guys know a few of them. We have these really cool Hello Kitty blind bags.
Yeah.
We also have these new mini Winnies. I like horses a lot. Like, I love horses.
Yeah. We still have some trash packs.
And then we've got like all of our other blind bags. Those are just like some of the newest ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Otto's going first. LPS!
Oh, yeah.
Let's see. Let's just mix it up a little really quick. There we go. I'm like, oh, yeah, Plants vs. Zombies. He wanted to grab that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's really excited for the new series. All right. Yeah. So many.
There's a hole.
All right, I felt this one, but I wanted to grab one because I love these. It is the Frenzies. Tokidoki Frenzies.
Hole.
Oh, there's a hole. Ooh, I got a Despicable Me Minion Surprise blind bag. Cool. I don't think I've opened up one of these yet. All right. Oh, sorry, Otto. Here you go. I'm going to start with my Despicable Me because I am very excited for this. I've never seen these.
Snip.
And then I'll step to the side.
Oh.
You're like, oh. I'm like,
Snip.
okay, Otto.
Oh.
Yeah, are you going to start with your LPS?
Yeah.
And I'm going to do my Despicable Me.
Ooh, I got a banana.
Oh my gosh, it's a purple skunk. So here's the purple skunk.
Ew.
And it comes with a banana and a trash can. Might be a squirrel. It's Squirrelunk. Squirrelunk. I really like combining names, as you can tell.
When you combine squirrel and skunk, you still get skunk.
No, you get Squirrelunk.
You still get
This Squirrelunk. Squirrelunk.
How do you?
Squirrel.
Squirrelunk.
Or
Squirrelunk.
squunk.
Squunk.
Squirrel.
Squunk.
Squunk.
Squunk. Squunk. You could put that on the top of her head. Yeah. She has such a pretty hair accessory. Alright, I'm gonna go on my Despicable.
I don't know if that actually does this.
Right, let's see. Whoa, I got like that the wrestler guy, dude.
I can't
Person.
put the banana in her.
From Despicable Me 2. El Macho.
El Macho. El Macho. El Macho.
Alright, and he comes with his little Despicable Me stand as well. So he can stand up and not fall over. That would be bad if he fell over. See? Here
El
he
Macho.
is. El Macho. El Macho.
El Macho. Okay, my turn.
Okay, it's like, El Macho, El Macho. Oh no, her beautiful hair accessory fell out. Oh, you got a zombie.
I already have this one.
Oh.
But that's okay because there's a ton of the same zombies.
He wants, you know what he wants to do, and it's really smart?
What?
When you get doubles, especially like zombies, you can make a zombie army.
Or
He's gonna make a zombie army with his doubles.
Or if I get a lot of different ones, I can customize them by making them ultra zombies.
Ultra zombie attack.
Yeah, and then make them even powerfuler.
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 There.
Powerfuler.
It's gonna have to be like that. Powerfuler. All right, I'm gonna put up my frenzy while Otto's building.
Roar, I'm a zombie. I'm gonna pick up the banana. Oh, I can't pick up the banana.
The banana.
Banana.
Banana. Banana. Banana. Banana. Banana. Banana. Banana. Banana. Banana. got a... The heck? It's a soccer ball bomb. That's funny. I'm like, I was pulling out and I see a soccer ball. And I'm like, I got a soccer ball? What? But it's a soccer ball bomb.
I can't put the head on. I guess it's just a headless zombie with some weird
The
hat.
Head. I got it.
I have a tiny hat.
I saved the day. It doesn't exactly fit you. So it's like a bomb disguised as a soccer ball, and then you kick it, and then you realize it's a bomb, and then it explodes on you. I think that's how it works. It's cool. Cool. Now El Macho has a soccer ball, and he's gonna go score. All right. Can you get it on? Do you need help? Oh, did you get it? Did you get it? Oh. Let's just leave it.
It's a headless zombie.
The Mega Blocks are kind of hard to build.
It
Yeah.
connects.
Oh, the connects. The Mega Blocks are also hard though. I thought that was Mega Blocks. Yeah. I think that's gonna be it for this Blind Bag Wednesday. Yeah. I like this. I like this. I really like this banana squirrel. I think that's one of the cutest things we got today. Anyway.
I think that's pretty much it.
Gonna take out that. You gonna?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think
Go
that's
ahead.
pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.
Bye.